the Almighty expressed, "There is a distinction between good behavior and bad behavior, as they are not of equal worth. However, you make the payment using the most outstanding one that is available to you." The guy did something bad. We're talking about an extra behavior like responding with kindness, a superior way of behaving. How is this going to happen? Good Lord. And all of a sudden, the individual you had a grudge against, you glance at them and they have transformed into a close friend, as though by some sort of enchantment. Following these words, the omnipotent God unveils this verse. And in the event that Satan tries to tempt you with every person, seek refuge and find solace in the Almighty Allah, the Supreme Being and the Creator of all things. Oh Lord, if only I knew when the devil comes, I would seek refuge in you. But when does he come? I am not stating a negative response, however. If we were to express a negative response, the Almighty has explicitly stated, when the devil makes contact with individuals who experience fear, they utter the word taif in order to seek protection from harm. What does taif mean? He's spinning. So we just sit and the devil keeps circling us. Talking from here, talking ahead, talking behind us. The typhoon is really making the rounds. They come to realize the righteous ones truly comprehend and acknowledge the imminent arrival of the malevolent and sinister devil in their midst. Thus, taqwa is a prerequisite that must be fulfilled before seeking refuge in any situation. We have it in life, we have it in our lessons. That class is a prerequisite for this class. You need to take the classes below. In life, the ways of relating to the Almighty are layered, and the highest form of relationship is istiade. Even in order to think of utilizing this, you must possess the potential for piety for the Almighty to bestow upon you this opportunity. No potential. You're already someone who doesn't care about God, doesn't pay attention to His commands, and disregards His prohibitions. The devil came and said, "Oh Lord, protect me." It's obvious that you're loose. The Almighty says, you're already like the devil, meaning you don't care about Him, you don't take His commands seriously, and so on. This person is very straightforward with what they want. So he's paying attention to the commands and prohibitions of the Almighty God once and for all. An individual such as this has the ability to unlock a new level and submit a request. I sense the devil when he arrives. And then before you know it, they realize, they see, they are all seeing. Right now, we're fully aware that the devil is tickling us like crazy. The devil would claim that he woke up. The lid has been opened on this particular matter. Their eyes are now keen. They are able to discern what I am expressing. He distinguishes my voice from his own inner voice and seeks refuge in Allah, saying, look, he says like this. When he realizes, he seeks refuge in God, and the Almighty ejects him. That's the system.